today's competitive and experience-driven business environment, organizations are required to create meaningful, functional, and visually appealing space that reflect their corporate identity and organizational value. Beyond aesthetic, workplace and commercial environment play a crucial role in shaping brand perception, employee well-being, and customer experience. As a result, professional art consultancy services have become a strategic necessity rather than a luxury. Slate Art Consulting operates as a corporate art consultancy that provides comprehensive services such as art consultation, curation, commission artwork, professional installation, and after-sales support for organizational clients. Operating within a business-to-business context, Slate adopts a consultative and solution-based selling approach, positioning art not merely as decoration but as a strategic investment that enhances corporate image, workplace atmosphere, and long-term organizational value.
Next is FAB analysis. FAB analysis is a marketing model used to explain the value of a product or service by focusing on its features, advantages, and benefits. For Slate Art Consulting, the key features include professional art consultancy based on the client's brand, organizational culture, and space requirements. Slate also provides customized and commissioned artworks, full project management, professional installation, and after-sales services such as artwork maintenance and rehanging. The main advantages of Slate art is its client-focused and personalized approach. Each art project is designed to suit the client's specific needs, ensuring the artwork match the company's identity. In addition, Slate offers a one-stop service that manages the entire process, saving clients time, cost, and effort while providing access to a wide range of artists and styles. As a result, the benefits include stronger corporate image and branding, a more pleasant and inspiring working environment, improved employee well-being and productivity, and a long-term value through well-maintained artworks.
For prospecting, Slate Art Consulting focuses on targeted B2B channels rather than mass marketing. They build relationships through networking events where trust is important because art consultancy involves high value and subjective decisions. They also approach property developers using project lists as art services are most relevant during the development stage. LinkedIn is used to connect directly with decision makers such as developers and designers, while referrals are effective because they reduce risk in art purchasing. Industry exhibitions further allow Slate to showcase their expertise to relevant players in the design and property industry. After identifying prospects, Slate qualifies them based on budget, project size, decision-making authority, timeline, and long-term potential. This helps the company focus only on high-quality leads, save time and resources, and align their efforts with long-term B2B sales objectives.
For Slate Art Consulting, planning the sales call is a very important stage in the B2B sales process because it determines how effective the client engagement will be. Unlike consumer sales, Slate sales call involves organizational decision makers such as senior management, project managers, procurement teams, architects, and interior designers. Therefore, sales calls are treated as formal and structured professional meetings rather than casual discussion. In terms of scheduling, Slate Art Consulting use formal communication channels such as email, LinkedIn, referral from industry partners, and follow-ups after exhibition or networking. These channels are suitable in a B2B environment because they follow corporate communication standards. Meetings are scheduled in advance to accommodate multiple stakeholders and ensure productive discussion. Strategically, each sales call has a clear objective set before the meeting. Depending on the sales stage, This may include understanding the client's project requirement, identifying decision makers, discussing budget expectation, or exploring long-term collaboration. Slate also choose the meeting format carefully, using virtual meeting for early discussion and face-to-face. For Slate at Consulting, planning the sale call is a very important stage in the B2B sale process because it determines how effective the client engagement will be. Unlike consumer sale, Slate sale call involves organizational decision makers such as senior management, project managers, procurement teams, architects, and interior designers. Therefore, sale calls are treated as formal and structured professional meeting rather than casual discussion. In terms of Slate at Consulting adopts a 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 Slate at Consulting adopts.
Next, I will go through on how to handle the objections. A common concern is price too high. The key is to show the value. At Slate, we offer a complete service such as consultation, custom artwork, installation, and after-sales support, all managed by one team. This makes the process smoother and more cost-effective. For example, a client in hospitality initially worried about price, but they saw a strong return on investment once the art improved guest satisfactions. Another objection is unclear ROI. While art's ROI might not be financial at first, it leads to benefits like improved employee morale and better brand image, which drive productivity. A corporate client we work with saw increased employee engagement after installing art that matched their company culture. On the other hand, clients also worried about the style not matching their brand. The solution is collaboration. We ensure that art aligns with your brand and values to create a cohesive space. For example, a law firm was initially concerned, but the final artwork fit perfectly with their professional environment. Lastly, installation disruption. We offer flexible installation times, including evenings or weekends, to minimize disruptions for your operations. For example, we complete an installation at a medical center during off hours to avoid disrupting patient.
I will cover Slate Art Consulting follow-up strategies. from post-sale communication to continuous improvement. First, for post-sale communication, Slate send a formal completion email within 1 business day to thank the client and restate the project objective. Throughout the project, they keep the client updated on installation progress, scheduling, and logistics. After the project ends, they send a satisfaction survey to collect feedback and improve service quality. Second, to address buyer's remorse, since art purchases are high cost and subjective, Slate reassures clients by framing the artwork as a strategic investment that strengthens the company brand and workplace culture. They also offer a satisfaction period where clients can adjust the artwork placement and lighting after the installation. Third, for retention and long-term loyalty, Slate focuses on building partnership through the annual collection review, care guidance, and engagement activities like exclusive previews, exhibitions, and seminars. Finally, Slate evaluates relationship performance using survey results and follow-up discussion, tracking satisfaction, responsiveness, and the likelihood of future projects. This feedback helps them refine their follow-up process and maintain strong client
Based
relationships.
on our analysis, several recommendations can help strengthen Slate Art Consulting's sales performance. First, the company should enhance its value-based selling strategy by clearly demonstrating return on investment through case studies, testimonial, and post-installation report. Second, Slate Art Consulting should improve its digital presence, especially on its website and LinkedIn, by sharing completed project and professional insight to build credibility and attract potential clients. Next, adopting a structured client segmentation strategy will allow the company to better tailor its sales approach to different industries such as corporate, hospitality, and healthcare. Finally, Slate should focus on long-term relationship management by formalizing retention program and continuously improving service to client feedback and internal coordination. In conclusion, this project has examined the sales management practice of Slate Art Consulting within a business-to-business context. As a corporate art consultancy, Slate focuses on consultative and solution-based selling, positioning art as a strategic tool that enhances corporate image, brand identity, and workplace environment. The analysis highlights the effective application of key sales management concepts such as FAB analysis, prospecting, qualifying prospect, sales call planning, handling objection, and follow-up strategies. Through strong relationship building, value-based selling, and professional sales practice, Slate Art Consulting is able to reduce purchase risk, create long-term value, and maintain sustainable client relationship. Overall, effective sales management play a crucial role in ensuring the company's competitiveness, repeat business, and long-term success in the corporate consultancy industry.